Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting, nouns, gender. So are you ready? Let's begin our fun learning journey. Gender tells us whether a noun is masculine, male, feminine, female, common, both male and female, or neuter, things with no gender. Let's break them down with examples. Masculine nouns. These refer to male persons or animals. For example, father, brother, king, drake, a male duck, gentleman, lion. Feminine nouns. These refer to female persons or animals. For example, mother, sister, queen, hen, a female bird, lady, lioness. Common nouns. These can refer to both male and female persons or animals. For example, doctor, it can be a man or a woman. Teacher, student, friend, parent. Neuter nouns. These refer to things that are neither male nor female. For example, chair, pen, book, table, ball, shoes. Now that we know the different categories, let's practice identifying them. Activity. I will say a word and you shout out which gender category it belongs to. Boy, masculine. Dog, masculine. Girl, feminine. Cat, common. Parent, common. House, neuter. Can you say them with me? Boy, masculine. Girl, feminine. Dog, masculine. House, neuter. Now, let's see how we can change masculine nouns into feminine nouns. Many words change by adding a special S at the end, like emperor becomes empress, prince becomes princess, waiter becomes waitress, actor becomes actress. Sometimes, we form feminine nouns by changing the beginning or end of the word. For example, brother-in-law becomes sister-in-law, grandfather becomes grandmother, son-in-law becomes daughter-in-law. Other times, we use entirely different words to form a feminine noun. For example, king becomes queen, uncle becomes aunt, nephew becomes niece. Let's practice changing the words together. Activity. I'll say a masculine noun and you tell me the feminine form. Prince, masculine. Girl, feminine. Cat, common. Parent, common. House, neuter. Great job, kids! Sometimes we change a masculine noun to a feminine noun by adding S or changing the word. Let's look at more examples. Emperor, empress. Lion, lioness. Duke, duchess. Gentleman, lady. We also have common nouns, which can be used for both males and females. For example, teacher, doctor, friend, student, singer. These nouns don't change based on gender. Anyone can be a teacher or a doctor, no matter their gender. Interactive game. Let's test your knowledge with a fun quiz. I will give you a word and you tell me if it's masculine, feminine or common. Actor, common. Mother, feminine. King, masculine. Uncle, masculine. Boss, common. Great job, kids! We can also use neuter nouns, which refer to things that have no gender. Some examples are book, pen, chair, bag, cable. Remember, neuter nouns are things we can touch, see or use, but they don't have a gender. They are neither masculine nor feminine. Let's go through some more examples to understand better. Car, neuter. Desk, neuter. Cup, neuter. Computer, neuter. So, to recap, we have four main categories of nouns. Masculine for male persons animals, feminine for female persons animals, common for both males and females, neuter for things with no gender. Let's see how quickly you can sort some words into these categories. Quick sorting activity. Can you place these words into their correct gender boxes? Athlete, common. Drake, masculine. Queen, feminine. Shoes, neuter. Doctor, common. Lioness, feminine. Well done! You've been practicing great today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye kids! Thanks for watching.